Good morning, class. Today we will be discussing about cooking techniques for fish and shellfish. Fishes are very delicate and are easy to overcook. During cooking, a test for doneness must be observed. When cooked, the fish just separates into flakes. If bone is present, the flesh separates from the bone and the bone is no longer pink. Third, the flesh becomes opaque, usually white in color. Now let's discuss the cooking techniques for lean fish. Lean fish are those that are low in fat like sole, cod, red, and bass. So lean fish has almost no fat. So it easily becomes dry. That's why you need to add sauce to enhance its moistness and give richness. So you must cook it using poaching method. At the same time, you can baste it with butter or oil to avoid dryness. And then maybe you can fried or sauteed it to gain palatability from added fat from your oil or from your butter. So one is a fat fish. Fat fish can tolerate more heat, meaning high heat without becoming dry. You can also cook fat fish in a poaching method. And then fat fish are well suited to broil and baking. The dry meat methods eliminate excessive oiliness. Large fat fish like salmon, mackerel can be cooked in fat, but care should be. Next is shellfish. You can cook oyster just enough to heat thoroughly to keep its juiciness and plump. So you need to make sure that your shellfish are juicy. Clam becomes tough and rubbery if overcooked. So make sure that you use low fire heat before cooking your shellfish. The following are the steps on how are you going to scale whole fish. Next, the proper way of filleting fish. Next, the proper way of skinning fish. Last one, deboning fish.